Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another gel polish review. This is called KIPOZI, I think, one of those. So they have the instructions there on the side. Let's just go ahead and get straight into this. So I noticed first off, there's a lot of different colors in this set. So this comes with a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat, which I love when companies put that in the kit. This comes with 20 colors, and they put a black and a white color in here, which I also love. I love it when they include the black and the white. That gives you a variety to make the colors either darker or lighter and make new colors with the colors you already have. So I think that's awesome when companies do that. So about the consistency of this polish, it's very smooth. I didn't run into a lot of fuzzies. If you guys deal in gel polish or polish period, I think you know what I mean. It's just lint and stuff. Sometimes that tends to drop into the polish and no one likes that, okay? But this polish was very nice. So let's look at the matte top coat really fast. I put it on 3 different colors. There they are. They look very chic to me. Here are all those beautiful colors lined up for you guys. That concludes my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that sub button and notification bell. That way you can be updated whenever I upload any new nail product reviews, nail art, which I do just about every day here on this channel, and nail hacks. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.